Walking meditation is like a gentle stroll with your own mind. It's a way to find peace within ourselves and connect with the world around us. It is a simple practice available to everyone at any moment. With each step, we can release stress and find calmness in our body and mind. Imagine yourself walking in a peaceful garden, sunlight dappling through the leaves. This is the feeling we can cultivate through walking meditation. It's a practice of being present, aware of our body, our breath, and the sensations around us. Walking meditation is not about reaching a destination. It is about bringing our full attention to the act of walking itself. Each step is an opportunity to be mindful, to be fully alive in the present moment. As we slow down and pay attention, we begin to notice the miracles that surround us in everyday life. The feel of the ground beneath our feet, the sound of birdsong, the gentle breeze on our skin. These simple wonders become sources of peace and joy. To begin your walking meditation, find a quiet place where you can walk comfortably. Even a small room or a hallway will do. Stand tall, with your shoulders relaxed and your gaze soft. Take a few deep breaths, feeling your chest rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. Now begin walking slowly. Feel your feet making contact with the ground, heel to toe, toe to heel. Notice the sensations of lifting, moving, and placing each foot. As you walk, let your arms swing naturally at your sides. Your pace doesn't matter. What matters is that you bring your full attention to the act of walking. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back to the sensations of your body moving. With each step, you are cultivating mindfulness, a state of being present and awake in the here and now. Remember, walking meditation is a practice. It takes time and patience to cultivate mindfulness, but the rewards are immeasurable: a calmer mind, a more peaceful heart, and a deeper connection to the world around us. As you walk, focus your attention on the soles of your feet. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. With each step, sense the connection between your feet and the earth. This is grounding, a way of anchoring ourselves in the present moment. When our minds race with worries or plans, we can return to the sensation of our feet on the ground. The earth is always there for us, a steady and reliable presence. As you walk, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending down into the earth. Feel the strength and stability of these roots, connecting you to the earth's energy. You are grounded, centered, and present. With each step, you can release tension and stress into the earth. Feel your worries melting away as you walk, replaced by a sense of peace and tranquility. You are held and supported by the earth, free to simply be present in this moment. Breathing is our constant companion, a natural rhythm that anchors us to the present moment. In walking meditation, we can use our breath as a focal point, a way to cultivate stillness amidst movement. As you walk, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural flow of each inhale and exhale. You don't need to change your breath in any way, simply observe it without judgment. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and refreshing. Sense your chest and abdomen expanding as you inhale. Notice the gentle release as you exhale, the air flowing out, warm and soft. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. Your breath is always there for you, a steady anchor in the midst of life's ups and downs. With each mindful breath, you are cultivating a sense of peace and tranquility within. Being present and observing with open senses. Walking meditation invites us to engage all of our senses, to awaken to the richness of the present moment. As you walk, notice the sights, sounds, smells, and sensations that surround you. Observe the play of light and shadow on the path ahead. Listen to the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, the distant hum of traffic. Smell the fragrance of pine needles, the sweetness of blooming flowers, the freshness of the air. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the breeze, the texture of the ground beneath your feet. Each sensation is an opportunity to be present, to experience the world with a sense of wonder and curiosity. As you walk, let go of any judgments or labels. Simply observe each sensation with an open and accepting mind. The more we practice being present, the more we awaken to the beauty and wonder that surround us in every moment. While walking meditation can be practiced anywhere, nature offers a particularly inviting setting for cultivating mindfulness. The tranquility of natural environments can soothe our minds and deepen our connection to the present moment. Forests, with their towering trees and dappled sunlight, provide a sense of sanctuary and peace. The gentle rustling of leaves and the songs of birds create a calming soundtrack for our practice. The forest path, winding its way through ancient trees, becomes a metaphor for our own journey inward. Gardens, with their vibrant colors and fragrant blooms, awaken our senses and inspire joy. The meticulous care and attention given to a garden can remind us of the potential for growth and transformation within ourselves. As we walk amidst the beauty of nature, we are reminded of our own interconnectedness with all living things. Whether we find ourselves in a vast forest or a small urban park, nature welcomes us with open arms. The natural world invites us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect with the present moment. The forest path, a symphony of sensations. Imagine yourself walking on a forest path, sunlight filtering through the canopy of leaves above. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the scent of pine needles and damp earth. As you walk, your feet sink softly into the bed of needles beneath your feet. Listen to the symphony of sounds that surround you. The gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of crickets, the distant call of a woodpecker. Each sound is distinct yet harmonious, blending together to create a soothing melody. Feel the coolness of the air on your skin, the warmth of the sun on your face. Notice the play of light and shadow on the path ahead, the way the sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a mosaic of patterns on the forest floor. As you walk, allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, experiencing the forest with all of your senses. Let go of any thoughts or worries, and simply be here now, amidst the peace and tranquility of the forest. The Garden Sanctuary. Step into a garden sanctuary, a place where nature's beauty is carefully cultivated and celebrated. Vibrant flowers bloom in a riot of colors, their petals unfurling like delicate works of art. The air is alive with the sweet fragrance of roses, honeysuckle, and lavender. As you walk along the garden paths, notice the intricate details of each flower, the velvety texture of a rose petal, the delicate veins on a lily, the intricate patterns on a pansy. Each blossom is a testament to the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Pause to admire the lush greenery that surrounds you, the vibrant green of ferns, the silvery hues of lamb's ear, the deep emerald of hostas. Notice the play of light and shadow on the leaves, creating a sense of depth and texture. Close your eyes and inhale the intoxicating scents that fill the air. Let the sweet fragrance of jasmine, the citrusy tang of lemon balm, and the calming aroma of lavender soothe your mind and uplift your spirits. Walking meditation is a journey inward, a way to cultivate peace and tranquility in our daily lives. It is a practice that can benefit us all, regardless of our age, fitness level, or spiritual beliefs. By bringing our attention to the present moment, we can let go of worries about the past or anxieties about the future. We learn to appreciate the simple joys of life, the feel of the sun on our skin, the sound of birdsong, the beauty of a flower in bloom. As we cultivate mindfulness through walking meditation, we develop a greater sense of awareness and clarity. We become more attuned to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations, and we learn to respond to life's challenges with greater wisdom and compassion. The benefits of walking meditation extend beyond our personal lives. As we cultivate inner peace, we naturally radiate a sense of calmness and tranquility to those around us. We become more patient, more understanding, and more compassionate individuals. Take some time each day to step outside and engage in walking meditation. Find a quiet place in nature, or simply walk mindfully in your own neighborhood. With each step, you are cultivating peace within yourself and contributing to a more peaceful world.